Welcome to the future of art reference photos. With the help of artificial intelligence, we can create a vast library of high-quality reference images in no time. Hello, I'm Vickie, and welcome to my art channel. Today we're going to talk about how AI is changing the way artists find reference photos for their artwork. As an artist, finding the right reference photo can be challenging. You want to find a photo that captures that right pose, lighting, and mood for your artwork. But with so many photos out there, it can be overwhelming to find the perfect one. That's where AI comes in revolutionizing the art world. With the help of AI, artists now can find reference photos that match their thoughts. Imagine being able to search for a pose, lighting, and composition all in one place. AI-generated reference photos will also give artists more flexibility and creativity when it comes to their artwork. These photos can be edited and curated to fit the artist's vision. AI software can analyze millions of photos and identify the ones that match your criteria. For example, if you're looking for a photo of a person in a specific pose, the software can find photos that match that pose. That makes it easier for artists to find the right reference photo for the artwork, and the best part is the software is constantly learning and improving. Share in the comments if you've tried AI software. Are you for it or against the technology? And if you're new to my art channel, welcome, and please hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. With the help of AI, artists now create more accurate and detailed artwork than ever before. And as technology continues to improve, we can expect even more exciting developments in the world of art. You still need to know how to paint or draw the subject in a way that captures its essence and brings it to life. When using an AI reference photo, it's important to remember it's just a tool. It can help you find the right pose or lighting, but it can't replace your own artistic vision and skill. To create truly great artwork, you need to use your own creativity and imagination, using the reference photo as a starting point, but don't be afraid to make changes or add your own personal touch. And if you're looking to take your artwork to the next level, you can use AI software to enhance your artwork. For example, you can use AI to add texture or color to your artwork or create a more realistic or stylized look. I hope you enjoyed this painting of a time-lapse from a generated AI reference photo. Please check out my art channel for other tutorials and see you in the next video.